Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can track your duration, how you can track your credit on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, what we have to do simply we have to choose our profile, and after choosing the profile, as you can see, we have to click on this profile icon, and after clicking on the profile icon, you will be able to see that how much your video duration is remaining and how much your cloud storage is remaining. Currently, we have 1 GB of the cloud storage. We have used anything else. Currently, we have used the 1 GB here and we haven't used anything. So 1 GB is whole here. And we have a 1 minute. Out of 1 minute, we have used 0.1 second here. So as you can see now, the each and everything is provided here. If you want to create your team, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the create team. But for creating your team, you have to buy the premium one because of creating a team option is provided on the paid one. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see now, the subscription option is also provided here. You can also get the subscriptions from here. So in this way you can track your account. In this way you can track your video duration and the cloud storage on the Windows AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.